my channel. Finally, we are going to unbox our Nescafe Dolce Gusto Genio S Plus. Let's check out what's all is on the box. So it has espresso boost technology, boost the taste and intensity of your espressos. Basically, this technology gives more intense and concentrated espressos. This mode cannot be selected in cold mode, and we are not supposed to use the espresso boost with milk, chocolate and tea capsules. Then we have temperature selections. Customize the temperature of your coffees, high, medium, low, cold. Then play and select. Adjust the volume of your coffees. XL function. Prepare coffees up to XL size 300 ml. And eco mode. After 1 minute of non-usage to save energy. Basically, eco mode feature automatically turns off the machine after a few minutes of inactivity, and in this case 1 minute. Okay, first is auto stop. Auto stop means coffee machine will automatically stop at the right moment to get you the perfect beverage. And 15 bars max. That means 15 times the atmospheric pressure. It is the maximum amount of pressure which is applied during brewing. And the 15 bar pressure feature creates a delicious espresso with a rich aroma and an enticing nut colored creamy top. And as we have discussed, XL function lets you customize your drink. It's for big and tall drinks. Water tank. This is the water tank cover. Then this is the LED control panel. And this is the locking handle. This one. This is the rinsing tool, okay, and this is the capsule holder, this one. Rinsing tool, I'll show you, and capsule holder, okay. Then cleaning needle. Okay, this is the cleaning needle. Injector is here, somewhere here. This is the injector. And drip tray. This is the drip tray. Now let's get it ready for the first time use. First time use. Fill it up to the max. Drip tray has to be removed. Then open the locking handle. Insert the rinsing tool. Place the large container. Close the locking. Use the control ring and select level 7 on the volume display. Now press the start button and machine will start. Again press the start stop button and machine will start rinsing. The temperature selection button and the volume display light blink for up to 8 seconds. During that time, do not open the locking handle. Now I'm supposed to open this locking handle. Pull out the capsule holder. Remove the rinsing tool. Reinsert the capsule holder. Empty the container. Refill with drinking water. Reinsert the drip tray. Okay. And machine is ready to be used.
Yay!
Okay. First creamer to 7 bars we have to 6 bars we have to select. Then afterwards this one coffee and 1 bar has to be selected. Taste the cup. This creamer. So 6. Okay, 6. So Ganpati Bappa Moria. नहीं देखो now it has to be
first.
one. So
Again, a gentle reminder, after finishing the preparation, the temperature selection button and the volume display light will blink for up to 8 seconds, and do not open the locking handle during that time. After that, the temperature selection button lights steadily.
wow, fragrance of coffee. Awesome. Okay, so now we'll be making chocochino. Okay. First chocolate 3 bars, then creamer 3 bars. So let's do it.
Do not touch the used capsule after the beverage preparation, as it would be hot and you might get burned.
Chocolate. Three. Okay.
This machine has 4 predefined temperature settings. Those are cold, low, mid, and this is the highest. Cold mode must only be used for dedicated cold products, that is cappuccino ice. And this is the Excel function for the big and tall drinks. And this is the espresso boost button to give you more intense and concentrated espressos. Button next to Excel is descaling indicator. If it turns on, machine has to be descaled. Now let's prepare one espresso using espresso boost technology.
Fragrance are awesome.
Now let's enjoy all our favorite beverages with touch of a button. I thoroughly enjoyed this unboxing with you guys. Thank you for watching, and until we meet again, take care and stay positive.